Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve's Garage. You know who I am, I'm Steve. And old Earl's hiding over in the corner there. He didn't want to be on the video today. So, it's Christmas time. It is the 12th of December right now. And we're having a crazy year in New England here. It's 45 degrees, and if you look at the 2-week forecast, it's going to be in the 40s and 50s. Right through Christmas. So I don't think we're going to have a white Christmas again. Global warming seems to have taken over. So my wife is not complaining. She hates the snow, which I don't blame her. A lot of people do. But me, I'm a traditionalist. I like a little snow around the holidays. And then it can go away. So anyway, the last video I put on, we did put it on like 3 or 4 days ago. And I got 2,100 views on it. And I'm amazed, very happy about that. And a lot of great comments from a lot of great people, and loving the car and all that. And those of you who don't understand, this was a 1929 Model A and a couple other parts off of 28. And then I made the body. This cowl is original to the car, 1929. And then I made the boat tail on the back and all the fenders, the front fenders and all that. And my running boards, and these videos are to show you that, you know, we can all do it in our home garage. And I'm very lucky to have the garage I have. I built it 20 years ago, but I'm a builder, a cabinet maker by trade, and so I did a lot of woodworking in the past 40 years, and I thought I would try metalwork out a few years back. And this is my second car that I'm building from scratch. The first one you can see in my videos was the hot rod, which is the gasser green frame and wheels, and the body. Again, I built that body from scratch. It was my first one, and I learned on that one. A lot of mistakes. It was, you know, I did the whole thing in 16 gauge steel, which if you guys know steel at all, 16 gauge means it's 1/16 of an inch. And most cars today are built out of 18 and 20 gauge, and the gauge of the steel, 18 is 1/18 of an inch, 20 gauge is 1/20 of an inch, and of course 16 gauge is 1/16. So that car's made out of very thick steel, and it was a strange way to learn. I had no advice from anybody, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos, but no one ever talked about the gauges of steels on those videos. Very few times do you hear someone talk about the gauge of steel. So it was a lot of fun, man. I mean, I laid awake every night, couldn't wait to get back in the garage and work on it. It took me a year to build that thing, and I got dust falling from the ceiling here. So anyway, it took me a year to build that thing, and I love it. I get a lot of great comments on that, but I learned everything on that. I learned about welding, I learned about warping steel and putting too much heat into steel. And that's really the only way to learn, is by doing. You can watch all the videos or read all the books, but nothing tells you like making your own mistakes. So with that one behind me, I'm building this one, and took all that knowledge and putting it into this car. So right now, today, we are going to work on some of this woodwork. I want to try to get these side pieces on and hopefully get this piece tucked under in the front here. And get the woodwork behind me, you know, at least this part of the woodwork. We do have some other things we're going to do, and then I'm on to, you know, finish my glass patterns, get those tightened up the way I want them, and then we're on electrical and mechanical work. So that's it. Without any further ado, I just want to tell you, another beautiful day in Hamden. Don't know if I said that in the first 5 seconds. But another beautiful day out here, and again, it's just so warm. It's just really amazing. So let's get moving here. I've got a weld right here we're gonna have to grind off, because I had cross pieces here. When I jacked the frame off the body, I welded 1x1 square stock in there to hold everything rigid while we jacked it up. So let me get some tools going here, and we'll move forward. And I don't know if you can hear them or not, but I have a few Christmas carols playing in the background. And YouTube has a strict thing about music. They don't want you playing music because it's a copyright issue. But I think Christmas carols, hopefully we'll get away with it. We'll see what happens. Not concerned. So here is the piece we're going to work on. And let's see if I shut the door. This piece goes in here. And it's raised up high. You can actually see the shadow from the sun is behind us, shooting in this way. So you can see that shadow line. That weld right here is holding us up. So we're going to grind that off. I hope everybody's having a good December. I hope you're got your chores done for Christmas holiday. Old Saint Nick coming down the chimney. Whoop. Trying to put a blanket down here so the sparks don't hurt anything. Don't lean on that, that's hot. Son of a nutcracker. All right, what do we got? Much better. All right, so we're going to take and sand this down. I'm going to move us over. All right. Don't want to get too crazy. Get back there and see how it fits. Sand it down nice. We'll do the finish sanding when we get the fitment correct. That looks pretty good. We have a little sanding to do here afterwards, but that is good right there. I'm going to take and hit that with 220. That was 100 that we hit that with first, just to knock those edges down quickly. Now we'll hit it with some 220 and clean it all up. See how he fits. Miles long. All right, hey everybody, we're back. Hey, I left the camera on by accident before, and sorry about that, but hopefully you're listening to the Christmas carols and enjoying a few minutes of that. Again, I do my own camera work. I don't edit. I just let it roll and we play it. So it is what it is. That's what happens when you grew up with 70s technology. I don't know anything, but I'm working on it. Slow but sure. So I'm going to take a little bit of 220, sand this stuff up quick, and I mean quick. You don't have to do much to it. Just taking any Raymond burrs off of it, you know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Like I said, this is great stuff, water-based, so it's not toxic to you. I mean, maybe a little toxic, but not that bad. Could be worse. We're not using heavy cleaners. We're only using water to clean it up. So we're going to clean those up quickly. A little bit of rag work here. Peace on earth, goodwill to men. That's what we should all be practicing this year. So here we go. Coat 2, I'll do a third coat on these afterwards. Trying to keep in the camera here, guys, sorry about that. And this stuff you can put on with a brush. With a light touch, you can also spray it, but just use a light touch and they will be smooth as silk when they're done. I'm looking in the camera while I'm doing this, trying to stay in your view. It's all about you guys. Happy freaking holidays. And ladies. We have a percentage of women that watch this, and I think that's awesome. And I hope they're working on their own projects and doing their thing. And thank you everybody for coming back and watching. All the comments. Please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And that's that. There it is, like I said. We're just water cleanup here. And that's it. Water. Easy. Easy cheesy. Alright, we're going to do one more thing before this video ends. We're only 27 minutes in, so let's get one more project done. So this is a semi-gloss. They're wet, so they're a little darker. But there it is. And the other side over yonder. So one other thing I want to try to do today, while we have a few more minutes, is install the carburetor, because we're heading for project. Whoop, what the hell I do now? Great having big thumbs. All right. Had tape on there, so we made sure no critters were getting in and out. Dust and debris, all that. Now, anybody wondering what this is right now, right here, this is vacuum. I got a fitting, go in here, it's 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch copper, and it goes to my power brake unit, and that vacuum will run my power brakes. So you need a source of vacuum to run them. So that's what I did. All right, so there's the carburetor. I've got to put in my sediment bowl and then run my choke line and then all my lines to my throttle. And that'll be that. So we're at 31 minutes, guys. Thanks again for coming back. It's another beautiful day here in Western Mass. We're enjoying this great weather we're having here. So, on behalf of old Earl and I, thank you very much for coming back. We're getting into the mechanics of this thing, a few more details. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of woodwork on the body itself. I don't know yet. But I keep dreaming about it at night, thinking maybe that's the way to go. And we'll review that when the time comes and see what you think. So, we're having a lot of fun with this project. It's been great. And we will see you all real soon. And again, a couple weeks till Christmas, so everyone keep your spirits up. Maybe have a little spirits at night, you know. A little won't hurt you. And that's it. So you can see that sun shining in from the south. So it's bright here in the afternoon. About 3 or 3:30 right now. So everyone have a great day. Pet your dogs. Feed your cats. Hug your friends. Have a great day.